Good Sunday morning, everybody. How are you? I'm good. I'm very good. Well, this is the exception from my rule. Today I'm early up Sunday, which is quite rare. Rare. Well, feeling good and had a good night's sleep. I hope you had that too. I just wanted to play this song for you. Maybe you can listen to this when you have a cup of coffee. All right. Let's see what happens. If anything happens. There we go.